Hello students, today we are going to start with the reading videos of EVS subject. So today we are going to read 9th topic, page number 51. Name of this topic is Animals and Their Young Ones. All living things live for some years. They grow, become old and finally die. To continue the life on the earth, all living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. The process by which animals produce their young ones is called reproduction. Animals can reproduce in two ways. First, by directly giving birth to young ones. Second, by laying eggs, out of which a baby comes out after a specific period of time. Animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their own milk are called mammals. Mammals have well-developed sense organs and brain. Most of them have hair on their bodies. Dogs, cats, elephants, cows and human beings are examples of mammals. Bat is a mammal that can fly. Dolphins and whales are mammals that live in water. Care for the young ones. In mammals, babies are formed inside the body of the mother. They stay inside for several weeks and then they are born. When the babies are born, they are weak and helpless. So, mothers care for their babies. They clean them, teach them to find food, to live on their own and protect them till they learn to look after themselves. They feed their babies with their own milk. In some animals, fathers also provide help by hunting food and guarding the young ones. Here are few examples. Animals that give birth to young ones, that is mammals. A cat with kittens, an elephant with its young one, a lioness with its cubs. Page number 52. Animals that lay eggs. Several animals reproduce by laying eggs. Birds, fishes, insects, frogs, snakes and crocodiles are some animals that lay eggs. Birds. All birds such as crows, sparrows, hens and eagles reproduce by laying eggs. The female birds lay eggs in nests. Each egg has a hard but thin protective outer covering called eggshell. Inside the shell there is a white jelly-like substance called albumen, also called egg white. Albumen is rich in proteins. In the center of the albumen, there is a yellow substance called yolk. It is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. Here you can see the internal structure of an egg. The yellow part is called yolk, the white part is called albumen and the outer covering is called eggshell. Yolk contains food for the growing baby called embryo inside the egg. The embryo undergoes many changes and grows into a chick. The parent bird keeps the egg warm by sitting on it. This is called incubation. The fully grown chick breaks the egg and comes out in about 21 days. This is called hatching. Here is the picture showing life cycle of a hen. The young ones do not have feathers and their eyes are closed. The parent birds feed and teach them how to fly. The parent birds look after their young ones till they are strong enough to look after themselves. The next is frogs. A frog lays a cluster of eggs in a safe place in the water. The cluster of eggs is called spawn. The baby frogs called tadpoles come out of the eggs in about 3 weeks. They look like tiny fish and breathe through gills. The tadpoles gradually lose their tails and develop legs. After a specific period of time, they become adult frogs. The process of change of a tadpole into an adult frog is called metamorphosis. Here is the picture showing life cycle of a frog. Page number 53. The parent frogs also take care of their babies but only for a short time. Next is fishes. A fish lays thousands of eggs at one time in water. The eggs of fish do not have shells. Only a few of them develop into baby fishes and only a few of the baby fishes survive. Most of the eggs and baby fishes are eaten up by other big fishes. Next is reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay their eggs on the ground or holes in the ground. They do not sit on the eggs to keep them warm. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun. They are not protected by their parents. Many of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Next is about the insects. All insects lay eggs. Some insects have 3 stages in their life cycles, while some others have 4. Most adult insects do not look after their babies. Insects like grasshoppers and cockroaches have 3 stages in their life cycle. The baby cockroach that comes out of the egg is called nymph. Wings and reproductive organs are not developed in the nymph. It sheds its skin several times and changes into an adult. Shedding of old skin is called molting. Some other insects like butterfly and housefly have 4 stages in their life cycles. The life cycle of butterfly also shows metamorphosis. Page number 54. The female butterfly lays eggs in clusters on the upper part of a leaf. Larva that looks like a worm hatches out from each egg. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar, while the larva of a housefly is called maggot. Caterpillar eats leaves and grows rapidly. After some time, the caterpillar stops eating and forms a covering called cocoon around its body. At this stage, it is called pupa. This is the resting stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar changes into a beautiful butterfly. The cocoon bursts when butterfly is ready to come out.